Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. On Saturday mornings I typically have my videos done earlier because I typically volunteer on Saturdays, but unfortunately I might be stricken with pink eye, and I have an earache too, so yeah. I don't know if it's just allergies or something, but I decided not to volunteer today. I may have pink eye, might not, might just have allergies, but, I'm not taking any chances. So that's why I'm doing the video a little bit later than usual on Saturday mornings for updated information. Anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses central South Carolina, central North Carolina, central Virginia, eastern West Virginia, Washington, D.C., central and north central Maryland, South Central and Eastern Pennsylvania, Northern New Jersey, Southeastern New York State, just northwest of New York City, much of Massachusetts, Southern Vermont, and Southern New Hampshire. Cities in today's slate include Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We have two marginals today, one marginal covering southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Mississippi, most of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, most of Georgia, parts of South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, the eastern half of Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, far south central Ohio, most of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, the Maryland Panhandle, southeastern Maryland, northern Delaware, parts of Pennsylvania, parts of New Jersey, parts of New York State, including New York City, central Connecticut, far northern Rhode Island, parts of east central Massachusetts, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. Another marginal today covers much of Nevada, southwestern Idaho, and southeastern Oregon. Cities in today's marginals include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Boston, Massachusetts, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Atlanta, Georgia. Going to today's tornado threat, there are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today, one covering the central part of the Florida Panhandle. Another 2% area covers northeastern, the Panhandle of West Virginia, North Central Virginia, Washington, D.C., the northwestern half of Maryland, much of Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, just northwest of New York City, northwestern Connecticut, the western half of Massachusetts, southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and extreme southwestern Maine. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Virginia, Springfield, Massachusetts, and Alexandria, Virginia. And my area is in the slight risk for severe weather, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned, but my area is, in fact, in a slight risk today. So, anyway, moving forward, going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses central South Carolina, central North Carolina, eastern West Virginia, central Virginia, Washington, D.C., northern and central Maryland, south central and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, northwestern Connecticut, the northwestern half of Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and southern New Hampshire. Cities in today's 15% wind risk area today include Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. There are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Mississippi, most of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, most of Georgia, much of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, the eastern half of Tennessee. Why don't you keep on me? The 5% also covers eastern Kentucky, most of West Virginia, far southwestern and southeastern Virginia, the Maryland Panhandle, southeastern Maryland, the northern half of Delaware, parts of central and southeastern, parts of Pennsylvania, I'm going to say, including Philadelphia, parts of New Jersey, parts of New York State, including New York City, parts of Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, east central Massachusetts, central Vermont, central New Hampshire, and southwestern Maine. Another 5% wind risk area today encompasses much of Nevada, southwestern New Hampshire, and southeastern Oregon. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Boston, Massachusetts, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Atlanta, Georgia. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses central South Carolina, central North Carolina, central Virginia, eastern West Virginia, Washington, D.C., northern and central Maryland, south central and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, northwestern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, just northwest of New York City, northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and southwestern New Hampshire. Cities in today's 15% hail risk area today includes Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. There is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Mississippi, most of Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, most of Georgia, parts of South Carolina, eastern Tennessee, parts of North Carolina, far east central Kentucky, parts of Virginia, parts of West Virginia, the Maryland Panhandle, south central and east central Maryland, northern Delaware, parts of Pennsylvania, including Philadelphia, parts of New Jersey, parts of New York State, including New York City, central Vermont, parts of Connecticut, central Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, and far southwestern Maine. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, and Raleigh, North Carolina. So, in summary, strong to severe storms are possible this afternoon into evening from parts of the Carolinas into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. An isolated severe threat may develop across the Southeast and also across parts of the Great Basin. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, and my Day 2 Outlook will come out this afternoon. Take care.